Hi, this is Lana
And this is Sara, and now we are at foto-sport camp Prevorje. We are having so much fun.
For example, yesterday we milked the cows.
We cut grass.
And we made a huge campfire. Well, it's turned so funny, but for us, not for the teachers.
Set it on fire.
We sing a lot too.
At the morning, we trained a kung fu. So on Monday, we had a huge fun with water balloons. Okay.
And of course, we took a lot of beautiful pictures. No, Sara, please erase
No,
it.
I won't erase it. Okay?
Okay.
Do not erase it. Okay? So I hope stop it. I hope that you enjoy it and that you have a lot of fun. Do not erase it.
Yo.
And well,
Bye.
see ya.